Finishing your 401R Refractory Mason apprenticeship in Ontario, this is the last mile playbook. There's no certificate of qualification exam for this trade. STO issues an apprenticeship completion certificate instead. One flag, as of early 2026, the trade is under STO review for low activity, so check the trade page. And because it's non-red seal, you qualify for the $2,000 bonus.
8 sections, start to finish. Placement and why you finish. The numbers and the status flag. Logbook and completion. Why there's no exam. The craft and the fiber hazard. The safety stack. Where the work is. And what changes after your certificate. Completion makes you a journey person, which unlocks BACU dispatch, the $2,000 bonus, and manufacturer training. Here's the hack. Sign up at AECStack.com. Run the setup and open deal flow. Plant expansions, mill upgrades, and refinery capital work all carry a refractory scope. If you're still looking, walk in on a shop you know is busy. If you're already on a crew, take the jobs coming in your area to your boss. 4,240 hours total, 4,000 on the job, 240 in school, about 2 years, grade 10 entry. The shortest masonry apprenticeship in the series. And one flag, as of early 2026, 401R is under Skilled Trades Ontario review for low apprenticeship activity. Confirm current trade status on the STO page before you plan around it. In a no-exam trade, the logbook carries more weight because it's the only verification there is. Every subskill needs its own signature and a real date. Watch your turnaround and emergency call-out work. It gets treated as ad hoc instead of logged. Completion needs all school levels passed, 4,000 hours logged, competency signed, and your sponsor's attestation. 4 to 8 weeks. STO states it directly. There's no certifying exam in this trade, so no C of Q is issued. You get an apprenticeship completion certificate. No portal booking, no fee, no authorization to test letter, no exam day, nothing to fail. One limitation, the trade equivalency assessment route is not available, so you complete the formal apprenticeship. Fire brick, castables, plastics, ramming mixes, insulating refractories, ceramic fiber, and gunned shotcrete across steel, cement, lime, glass, petrochemical, power, and pulp and paper. And the hazard specific to this trade? Refractory ceramic fiber is IARC Group 2B, and above 1,000 degrees Celsius, it devitrifies to Cristobalite, which causes silicosis. Tear out of aged fiber is the high-risk work. The most demanding industrial stack in the series. 2 things dominate: confined space, because you're inside the vessel every time, and heat stress, because ambient inside a cooled-down vessel often passes 50 degrees Celsius. Then working at heights, WHMIS, first aid, annual fit testing, hot work, H2S Alive for Sarnia, lockout tagout, and silica. You can name the customers: steel in Hamilton and Sault Ste. Marie, cement in Bath, Bowmanville, Picton, and St. Mary's, lime, glass, Northern Ontario pulp mills, Sarnia Chemical Valley, Bruce Power, and OPG. Plan for travel. The work is where the plants are. And get manufacturer training. Calderis and HWI, RHI Magnesita, Vesuvius, Allied Mineral. No red seal, so you qualify for the $2,000 Ontario bonus. File within 180 days. Your union is BACU, and Local 2 is the lead refractory local because its agreements carry a refractory work schedule. Boilermakers Lodge 128 overlaps on boilers and vessels, and that boundary varies by project. Specialize in gunning, ramming, or ceramic fiber. That's the last mile to your 401R. The full written guide is at AECStack.com. File for that $2,000 bonus within 180 days, and check the STO trade page for current status. Next up is 428A, Construction Boilermaker. Drop your situation in the comments. I read them.